Sometimes you have to be brave and brace the unknown. Sometimes you have to allow the paint and the canvas to be the master of their own creation. Sometimes you have to go with the flow and just trust the process. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Camille. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'll be working on a 24 by 24 inch canvas, and it's a gallery wrap. It's a heavy duty gallery wrap canvas. So I'll be working with some extreme sheen paint. I'll be using the Artist Loft black as my base, and then I'm using, for the extreme sheen paint, I'm using 24 karat gold, emerald, and the red is actually ruby red. So yeah, these are the three colors I'm working with, and they're all extreme sheen paint. And the black is by Artist Loft, and it's a flow acrylic. So in today's painting, I'm hoping to create some gorgeous pearl cells with these extreme sheen paint, similar to what I've done in video number 23, where I got those gorgeous cells. But I just wanted to do something a little bit different on this big canvas. I really wanted a little bit more black negative space in the middle. So instead of putting my paint in a puddle in the middle of the canvas, I decided to just go on the outer edge as well. Not directly outer edges, but not in the middle either. So I'm just making some circles, not a puddle. So it's going to be a little bit different. And then I'm going to use the black as a flip cup. So I'm going to flip the cup, the black paint over the colors, and then just hope for the magic to happen. So this is somewhat similar to video number 23, guys. If you haven't seen that one, please go check it out. And yeah, so I just have this great idea in my mind. This is a big canvas and it's really heavy to tilt. To be honest, it's working on big canvas, it's a lot of work, especially when you have to tilt it. Yeah, so I thought, let me give it a try. This is my first time really doing this pearl cell technique on a big canvas. It's easier on a smaller canvas, but I thought, let me just give it a try. So yeah, stick around, guys, and please, if you do love it, give me a thumbs up, share your comment, ask some questions, whatever. I'm open for whatever you guys have to throw at me. So yeah, just let me know exactly what you guys are thinking, and I do hope you enjoy this video. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so. I have more great content coming up, and I have a lot more to share with you guys. So please join this beautiful family, and yeah, thank you so much. So one thing I want to share with you guys is that the cells, they popped up so fast in this using this bigger canvas, and it's amazing. But yeah, because of that, because of the fact that they developed so fast, and then I had to keep tilting, I'm gonna lose some of those formation, those beautiful cells which you see happening right now. I had to pour it off because I have to keep stretching that black paint over the edges as best as I can. So yeah, what was going on through my mind was like, oh my gosh, I messed this one up, Camille, you know what, forget it, stop, but this is just crazy. It's really hard working on the bigger canvas, so I don't know why you did it, but yeah, I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna keep going. Let me just keep going. So stick around, guys, and stick around to the end. Of course, I always try to show my dry results, so please stick around as far as you guys can. All right, thank you. So while waiting for those pearl cells to develop, it's very important to, use this opportunity to, clean up your edges, clean up those drips. It's very important, because it will really pull your paint. It will keep dripping and then just pull, that beautiful paint that you have on top of your canvas, off the canvas. So yeah, it's very important to just clean up as best as you can, and just keep checking it as often so that you don't have no dripping. And if your canvas is not level or your table is not level, then you will know, because it will either drip to one side mostly, and then you guys will just notice all of that. So you have to keep watching. So at this point, I have this idea of doing something in the middle, because that's why I really wanted that black negative space in the middle. I really wanted more black because I had this idea of putting something different in the middle. So yes, guys, yes, I did went and added more paint in the middle, and I was screaming again, like why but let me tell you, what, it's fun, and I don't know, let's see if you guys love the end result. All right. Okay, so here I am adding the extra paint. It's just the orange I'm really working with, sorry. But I'm using the kiss pour method, and I'm using the same black paint as the one in the middle, and just some orange. So I just wanted to create something a little bit different and more fun. But all right, let's see what you guys think. Guys, I was just laughing when I saw that orange, how it turned out to look like, I don't even know, like it at first it looked like a mouth. It looked like some weird monster. I'm like, Camille, what did you do to your beautiful painting? But yeah, but look at it, guys. I mean, I love that ruby red. It does look like something, a coral reef, you know, like this beautiful coral reef. And I just couldn't figure, like, oh my gosh, that orange is killing it. I don't know, but yeah. But the pearl cell, guys, I have to be honest with you, and I don't know if you've worked with it. It will, and it does continue to develop. You leave it there half an hour, you come back and it changes on you. So, you know, but just check out the close-up of the wet result. I love it. So beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, I do love it. Wow. Here it is, guys. It's all dried, and it dried well. I love it. I love how clean it looks, and I love, you know, the colors are really bright. The edges are beautiful. I love it. It's my beautiful coral reef, you know, something of a coral reef. It's beautiful. It looks like something under the sea, or, you know, it's just amazing. The colors are vibrant. I love the magenta. I just love how the shade of where the green and the ruby gives you that you know, teal turquoise kind of look. It's just amazing. It creates so much depth. And then the orange, it looks like you know, the seashell, conch shell, you know, the opening. It's just, I don't know, it's a wonder. It's beautiful. You know, guys, that's why I say trust your art, and then just go with the flow, because you never know what you're gonna get. In the beginning, I was struggling because I'm like, oh my gosh, I made a mistake working on this big canvas, but I do love it. I honestly love it, and I hope you guys love it too. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Like and share my videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to check out my playlist. You know, there's various playlists that I have just to keep you guys entertained. And of course, guys, I will see you next time. Bye.